What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Thrift Mind YouTube channel. Today we have our good friend Kylie here with us. Hey. Due to numerous requests, we're going to be doing a tutorial video on how to make your own mannequin at minimal cost. So today, Kylie is gonna be our, I don't know what you call it, test dummy? Mannequin test dummy that we're gonna make the mannequin out of. So to construct this homemade mannequin DIY project, you need just a few household items that most people usually have in their homes. It's really easy. What do we need?
We need a tripod, which
a camera tripod
is not in everybody's home, so that's probably the one thing. But you could probably work without it if you really needed to.
You could make do with something else.
So that's kind of
we'll talk about that later.
Optional. We need a ton of duct tape.
Duct tape.
We're probably only going to use one. Scissors.
Scissors.
A t-shirt that you don't care about.
Yep. Junky old t-shirt. Doesn't have to be anything fancy.
Some stuffing.
Some stuffing.
If you don't go out and buy stuffing, or if you have a ton of pillows that you don't care, you're trying to figure out what to do with it, you can always cut this bad boy open and use that.
Yup.
And then you need a best friend. Oh. With a wonderful body that we're going to use. All right, let's get started. All right, so, oh, Kylie, you just get to be up
like this.
So, first thing you want to do, especially with a female, arms up. Yeah. You want to go right under her butt. I'm going to try this.
Oh, here we go.
This is not being fresh.
Basically what you guys want to do is duct tape the whole torso of the person you're trying to mannequinize, if you will.
We just found out that we should probably also put your hair up.
If you got long hair, you might want to put it up.
Yeah, get that hair up. Mm-hmm.
I don't know. And then what you're going to end up doing, we're just going to go around and follow her right down, nice and tight. This part, you actually want to go, in order to get her shape, which is what we need for every mannequin. So you want to go actually like across her bosom, up and over.
Okay, show how that side bosom.
There. So we're taking more strips. We're going to kind of follow along, but go on that diagonal. Do a lovely spin. Oh, isn't she fabulous?
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. I like it. So what we're going to do, we are going to carefully cut from the behind.
Literally cut it off. If you're doing this with a friend, make sure to not cut them.
If it's someone you hate, who cares? So I'm literally, I don't know if Kylie can feel, but I'm actually pulling up on, and I have her shirt. All right, so that's all done. So now, ta-da, beautiful. So I'm going to have her stay with me. We got to be really careful about her arms. And we're just gonna kind of shimmy it out. Look, she does such good shimmy. Look at that. So then we have her little crust here. So I will always have Kylie with me.
Forever.
Forever. Ah! She is never coming over to help me with button stuff again. She's gonna be like, I don't know what the heck you're going to do with me later. Alright. So the next step is we obviously have to sew this bad boy up. we're not gonna sew it. That's just ridiculous. Do I look like I know how to sew? My assistant here will give me a lovely piece of the duct tape. We're gonna line up the pieces just so. Oh no. That's what I get for fooling around. I'm gonna push hard on one side and then add to the other. And we'll have it up. Thanks,
Oh, you're so welcome.
I'm gonna do the same thing on the top. Now she's whole again.
Woohoo!
Yay!
Look at that.
So even though we got this lovely bag for you guys today, we still have like half of a pillow that we actually used for George, which is Ryan's body. Go ahead. Yeah, laugh it out. They're making fun of it. They say it looks like corn and other stuff. You guys can figure it out. Ooh, pop it over in. So then we're just gonna stuff accordingly. Now when you stuff it, you wanna actually stuff it nice, plenty of stuff in there, because again, you want it to stand up on its own, and you don't want to be having a flimsy mannequin that you're trying to dress, because it really stinks when it's flimsy. You're gonna stuff her, or stuff your mannequin, until the shape comes back. So literally we have a duplicate of Kylie's body that I can sleep with every night. So once you start having her shape, and she's kind of more or less not all the way stuffed, but getting that shape, you want to actually start to duct tape and close up this neck area, so that obviously the stuffing doesn't go everywhere and come back out. All right. So what we want to do, you want to take special care of the arms now. So she's pretty stuffed kind of everywhere else, but you want to add that extra fluff. This is what we discovered in the arm area to make sure that she has a nice shoulder.
Really formed, and it's not gonna, you know, it's very intact.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it looks
shoulder.
It looks good. Yeah.
So I just made a very rough sketch of the circular area that we need, so that we can kind of shove that, what is this called?
Cardboard?
Cardboard.
The cardboard.
So we can shove that cardboard in there and be able to have a better base so that we can use our tripod. So this is our lovely piece. Kept kind of measuring it. We want it to be a little bit smaller than our actual mannequin itself. So we're literally gonna take the fabric and kind of cover over this. And then we're gonna end up taping everywhere, but I kind of need Ryan's help. So that's our next step. You want to cut a hole actually in here so that we can put Miss Kylie on our little tripod. Now don't make the hole too big because you don't want it to be too flimsy, but just kind of 3 pokes there.
There we go.
We got a lovely spinnable Kylie.
Wow.
That's what I do for my friends. I'm creepy, and I make little models of them so I can hang out with them forever. Are we done?
Yep.
Yeah? All right. Come on, Tyler. It's bath time. I'll be busy. Did you get the more bubble bath that I asked for?
Maybe.
All right, come on, Kai. Let's see what happens. You always forget my bubble bath. Yeah, go ahead.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope this really showed you guys how to make a... She's really running the bathtub right now to give her a bath. Wow. That's crazy. Bae!
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Just give me 5 minutes with my friend.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope this was really informative on how to make your own mannequin on a budget. That was our goal, is to show you exactly how to do it. It works great for us, so hopefully it works great for you as well. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, make sure to subscribe. Also, share this video with any reseller who's selling clothes online. Make sure to share this video with them and, you know, give them little tips on how to make their own mannequin at home, because this method really worked well for us. So I feel like this would be really beneficial to anybody else who is reselling clothes online. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.